Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we'll be doing another lesson on user-defined functions, but this time we'll be having a return type and not just a void. So like always, we're going to start with a pound include IOStream, and then we're going to do a int main return 0, and now we're going to make a function called a int stone to lib, stone to, no, not lib, not library, lb, so stone to pounds, and we're going to pass in an int. So right below we're going to do int stone to lb, int sts, and then we're going to only return 14 times sts. So now what we can do in here is we do what we can do now, instead of always having the using namespace in all of the functions, what we can do is do it globally and do a using namespace std. And now in this entire CPP, every function and that has to do with a standard library will have that. So what we can do now is int stone, and we're gonna do cout, enter a weight in stone, and then we're going to do a cin stone, and then we're going to do int pounds equals, and we're going to grab this function that we just created, and pass in stone, and into pounds. And then what we're going to do then is say what we passed in. We go cout pound stone entered stone, and then we're going to do a space, and then we're going to do pound stone converted into pounds, pop, and we're going to pass in the pounds, and then we're going to do and del, and that's all really. Oops, I forgot to have a, and then we need to do a system pause, and then with that we can run 60. Oh, I spelled pause wrong. 60. So we entered 60, and now into pounds is 840 pounds. Wow, that's a lot. Let's do like 12 stones is 168 pounds. So that's somewhere where I weigh. So I weigh 12 stones. Well, that's interesting. But yeah, that's how we convert and do it. Just a conversion of a return type for my function. We pass it in, times it, and it returns that value to a integer like we did, and then we passed it in out. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys understood what was going on, and yeah, thank you so much. If you could like, comment, subscribe, that'd be great. Thanks guys, and have a great day.